Let's begin with the top story of the day. The two global luxury giants have called off what was supposed to be the largest luxury deal ever, as LVMH has called off $16 billion mega deal with Tiffany of US, leading to Tiffany suing LVMH. French luxury goods giant, LVMH told Tiffany it could not complete a deal to acquire it because of a French government request and the impact of the coronavirus outbreak. LVMH, led by billionaire Bernard Arnault, said its board had received a letter from the French Foreign Ministry asking it to delay the acquisition until Jan 16 next year, given the threat of additional US tariffs against French products. This, LVMH argued, made it impossible to meet a contractual November 24 deadline to complete the acquisition, adding it was not willing to extend agreement further. The French state's intervention marked the latest twist in the attempt to combine some of the fashion world's most high-profile luxury brands. Reports said French government letter had political value and was meant to alert LVMH to the risks of pursuing deal just as France wrangles with the US over trade tariffs. But it was advisory and not binding. The pandemic's financial fallout has made deal's price tag less attractive to LVMH. Tiffany's worldwide sales, they were down 29% to $747 million in the 3 months ended July 31st, missing expectations of $772 million. Now, Tiffany's shares ended trading yesterday down 6.4% at under $13.96 per share. It was well below $135 per share deal price as well. Reflecting uncertainty among investors over whether deal will go ahead and at what Tiffany filed its lawsuit against LVMH and Delaware, the US state in which New York-based company is registered. It said LVMH was dragging its feet when it came to filing for regulatory approvals of the deal in European Union, Taiwan and Japan. In its lawsuit, Tiffany said it refuted LVMH's suggestions that it can pull out of deal by claiming Tiffany has undergone a material adverse effect or breached its obligations under the merger agreement, or that the transaction is in some way inconsistent with its patriotic duties as a French corporation. Luxury industry is facing an unprecedented sales slump as a result of pandemic after a decade of stellar growth, with revenue expected to fall by as much as 35% this year. It will take until next year for revenue to return